In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a bill using Xero. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account. If you're not already on the login page, simply head over to the Xero website and enter your credentials. Once you're all logged in, you'll find yourself greeted by the Xero dashboard. This is where everything begins. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, the next step is to locate the Business tab. Clicking on this tab will unveil a selection of options for you. Among these options, you'll want to find and select the one labeled Bills to Pay. This specific section is where all your billing matters will be managed. Once you've clicked on the Bills to Pay option, you'll be redirected to a new section named Awaiting Payment. This is essentially your command center for any bills waiting to be paid. When you click on Awaiting Payment, all the pending bills that need your attention will be displayed. The organization in this section helps you manage your finances efficiently by providing a clear overview of all upcoming financial obligations. At this point, your task is to choose the specific bill you wish to settle. Carefully scan through your list and click on the bill you intend to pay. Selecting the right bill is crucial as we move forward to the next steps, where you'll specify the payment details with precision. Within the selected bill's details, you'll find options allowing you to choose the date on which the payment was or will be completed, and the account from which the payment will be drawn. It's vital here to ensure that you choose the correct payment date, as well as the right account, whether it's a bank account or any other account you have set up within Xero. This ensures that your payment records will remain accurate and up to date. Additionally, don't overlook the opportunity to add a reference for the payment. This is a space where you can include a note or code that makes future identification of the transaction simple and straightforward. You might want to use something like June Utilities or the specific invoice number as your reference. By including this, you'll find tracking payments much easier down the line, adding an extra level of clarity to your records. Now, with all the details in place, you're ready to finalize the payment. Go ahead and click on Add Payment. This action records the payment against the selected bill in Xero, ensuring your financial records are accurately updated to reflect that the bill has been paid. Finally, Xero provides you with the option to send a remittance at the end of this process. Sending a remittance is your way of notifying the supplier that their bill has been settled. It's a straightforward gesture, but one that helps maintain good communication and solid relationships with your vendors. And there you have it. In just these simple steps, you've successfully paid a bill using Xero. This efficient process not only aids in managing your business finances, but also ensures that your records remain as accurate and current as possible. Thank you for watching. And remember, you can always revisit any section if you need further clarification.